Hello everybody, and welcome to Makistoys. Now, today, we're going to do something a little bit different. Just a little bit. We're going to make tortilla slime. What? What's tortilla slime? Well, it's just like regular slime, just with tortillas in it. No tortillas in it. I should have gotten this open because it was all glued up. Okay, so we're gonna start by adding some glue. Just pour that in there. Yeah. Okay. We're not gonna do a whole. This is gonna be like one of those giant slimes that people do all the time. It's usually an exaggeration anyway. What we're gonna be doing is no exaggeration. So let's see. Let's go with red. I don't really make a lot of red slimes. That's what we're gonna do. Okay, so red food color. Doot. 2 or 3? 3. Oh, 3. Yeah, 3. 3 sounds about good. I've said 3 or 4 times now. Okay, and add your water. That sounds about right. Now we're gonna mix it. Now, the inspiration for this was people on YouTube saying that other people copy other people's slimes. Well, if you have plans on making a slime, you might as well do it now, because I'm going to make every single slime that hasn't been made. So, everybody's going to be copying me now. So, this one, reason it's tortilla slime, is we're going to be using corn flour. Yeah! That's our secret ingredient here. Let's see. That looks about right. I'm gonna guess. I don't think anybody's ever made this before, so we're just kinda. It already smells like tortillas. It looks like Pepto-Bismol, and it smells like tortillas. Okay, so this just has a bad idea written all over it. So the corn flour really does absorb this very well. But I think that's what we're looking for. Look at this. It's a dough. Oops. I think we need to add just a tiny bit more water. Because, I mean, like, since I am the creator of this now, you know, I wanna make this awesome. Get some good credit for it. It looks like, I don't know what this stuff is. I have a feeling this was a terrible idea. Maybe a little more water. This stuff is just super dry. Okay. So this looks promising, maybe? Looks like throw up. Let's be honest. That's me creating this right now. Looks like throw up. Now you want to pour the slime activator. Everybody knows that by now, if you've been watching my videos. If not, go back and watch another one of my videos. It's just borax and water. Oh, this is gross. Okay, Feels like it's missing something. What could this be missing? Maybe some cornstarch. Since we're going with the corn theme, let's add some. Oh man. Add some cornstarch to this. That looks about wrong, but oh well. Oh, man, it's all over the place. Well, we're just going to. Oh, that's just gross. Yeah, this is just nasty. But I may be able to salvage it. Okay. Look at this stuff. This is tortilla slime. Smell it. Smell it. Oh, yeah. You smell that? It smells like corn. Let's see if it's got that ASMR stuff. How about the hit new craze? Let's call it butter slime. Let's try to smooth it. Look at that. Look at that smoothing action. Oh, yeah. Look at that. Oh, wow. Neat. Cool. It just looks like barf. But it feels like rubber. This will make a really good silly putty. Super bouncy though. Who would have thought? Look, there you go. There's your tortilla. Don't eat this. This is pretty neat, actually. Let's see, does it drip like regular slime? No, no. But it's super stretchy. And it feels like... It kind of feels like Play-Doh. Yeah, kind of feels like Play-Doh. This is kind of cool. Real pink looking though. I mean, it's probably not picking it up in the video very well, but smell it. Smell this again. Smell that. Smell that. It's corn. Well, oh wait. I gotta put it over something. Let's put it over this container. Yeah, let's see. Well, it's taking forever, but you gotta get the idea. I'm gonna store this, see what it, I don't know, it feels like a foam floor mat, to be honest. Yeah. This is cool. Oh! And it holds air. Oh. Oh. I guess I'll call it the, let's see if I get it again. I could have called it the farting tortilla slime. Pretty sure if I throw this against my wall, it'll stick. Pretty sure if I got cold in the winter, I could wear this stuff. This is actually something that's really neat, though. I'm gonna say. Alright, let's fold it once, twice, 3 times, and just squeeze. This is interesting. I call it a success. I'm original here. This is my original tortilla slime. Have at it, YouTube.